Hey everyone. First off, let me just say that this very lucrative product has helped me tremendously so far, and I couldn't be happier. I'm extremely hard to please. And so since I'm satisfied, I know you'll be too. The 60-day money-back guarantee really helped me decide to check it out. And with that being said, before I went through this whole purchasing process, I tried to find a discount code or a coupon online. And thankfully, I was able to find a huge discount. And if you'd like to receive the same discount code and of course save a huge chunk of money, well, grab it down below in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.